Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Tacticool. To add friends in Tacticool, first of all, go ahead and open up the Tacticool game on your smartphone. From the main screen, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now, from the left-hand side menu, click on Friends. In the Friends tab, search for the friend's name in the search box. Enter your friend's player ID or username. After you make a search for the player, you will then be able to see the search results, from where you'll need to go ahead and select the friend and tap on Add to Friends. Your friend request will then be sent to the player. Once your friend accepts the request, they'll appear in your friend list and you can invite them to matches anytime. And that is how you can add friends in Tacticool. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more Tacticool guides and fun gameplay videos. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.